how to troubleshoot your router if you just had a storm. Like we just had a pretty good storm out here. Basic stuff, just make sure you're plugged in, but let's go look outside and see if there's any trees on the ground and what we got. All right, so basic shooting, make sure this is still attached to the wall. Nothing's been ripped out of here. That was like that when I saw it. There's lots of dogs out here trying to get chewed up. So make sure your wires are still good up there. If they're down on the ground, then might be a time to call in. Make sure there's nothing on the ground that's been dug up. Like my wire comes through here. So that's not it. And there's some dogs playing over there. Here, there's AT&T. So just make sure, nope, nothing broken up there. What's up? So you got a red blinking light. You already went outside and just kind of looked around, make sure there's no, like I'm aerial. My stuff is aerial telephone poles out here. Nothing's on the ground, nothing's bad. Make sure the ground is clean and good. Sometimes these gateways go into power cycles, which will blink red, and they won't come back on. So the easiest thing to do, just to make sure you make sure that you're plugged in, just press and hold this red button here for 20 seconds. All right, you're gonna hold it down and it's gonna go into power cycle and then power reboot and then reboot to factory settings. So if your Wi-Fi name and password is like the Smith's Wi-Fi and Smith's Wi-Fi password, then you'll have to get into your smart home manager or into the GUI and then change it over. So you've held it down for 20 seconds, let go. Make sure nothing else is plugged in too, just in case you're backfeeding something. If it wasn't a storm, just make sure that this cable's plugged in right. But this instance was a storm, so this is gonna blink on and off a few times. It's gonna go reboot back to factory settings. And then if it stays solid white, then you're in business and it was just a quick reboot. If it does not, then you'll wanna call 1-800-288-2020 and have them send you either a new gateway or a technician. Since you're paying for a service and a lot of people have that protection plan, go ahead and have them send you a technician to your home, because this is probably something that's gonna need a tech. And if it's just a gateway, perfect, they can bring you a gateway and set you up. Anyways, guys, I hope this helped you out. You should start getting a solid white light on this one. Take it easy.